Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change location on Jora Jobs. Now guys, the first thing that you actually need to do is go to the Google Play Store or Apple Play Store and download the Jora Jobs application. Now guys, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Jora Jobs. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Jora Job videos where you can also see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here on the application. So as you can see, the first thing that you can see is what kind of job are you looking for. Here you can go and put it, you would like to do some casual jobs, you would like to buy a business, find recruiters, home services, graduate jobs, become a volunteer, career advice, compare salaries, company reviews, etc, etc. So you can go and choose what kind of job you are looking for. Here you can see your recent searches, and here you can see your matches. So you can get matches for local jobs just in 2 minutes. You can get started with that. And you also have your jobs where you can go, you have some of your saved jobs and your applied jobs here. Also, here you have your alerts where you can have your email alerts and those things that you will be alerted every time that you have a job opportunity. And here at the end, we have your profile where you can go and put everything about your profile. And you can, of course, go and if you want, sign out of the application. Now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and change your location on Jora Jobs. So, guys, the first thing that you need to do is click on the bottom right corner and click your profile. Then click on my profile. Then guys, here you can put your address or use your current location, and that's basically how you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.